Okay guys, this is where we're getting ready to put together the, as you can see, let me go back. There it is, small red beans. Got a large can and a small can. Those are the different seasonings right there. I'm out here on my back patio, so that's why you're seeing weird stuff in the background. And we got our bell pepper, onion, tomatoes. Alright. Already chopped up. And we're going to be transferring that right now over into our pot. Okay, so we're going to go over here to our stove. And this is the ground meat that was pre-seasoned last night. And I used exactly, I think, a pound of 80-20. For those of you who know what that means in the kitchen, that is 80% lean, 20% fat. And I did drain it off. So that's what we're doing. Alright, we're going to add our beans in here first. Alright. Get that done. Okay. Going to add our flavors in here, seasonings. Okay. And I'll have all this information in the video, how much you can use of each one. Okay, so you can test this and taste it to see if it's to your liking, but I know how much I like, so. But anyway, I'll put the ingredients in the comment section of the video. Okay, I'm the type of person that seasons things and according to my taste. Sometimes I measure and sometimes I don't. I've been in the kitchen a long time, so I know exactly the amount that I like. Okay? Not everybody's like me, so I respect that. Some people have to measure. There's nothing wrong with that. Next up, we're going to be adding our cilantro, onions, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Putting all this in there at once. I did use a whole tomato, half of a bell pepper, and a whole white onion. This shouldn't take too long because the beans are already, coming in the can, and I did wash the beans out. This is my cilantro right here. I did wash the beans, and so if anything that come in a can, I'm not one of them favorite of canned stuff. I tend to wash my stuff. If it's beans or black-eyed peas or something like that, I tend to wash my canned things, which is very rare that I use canned stuff because I'm the type of person that cooks usually fresh cut or frozen. That's the way I roll. So we're going to mix this all up and let it put on a low fire and let it kind of simmer, because everything is pre-cooked except for the onions, and it's going to let that flavor and the onions and bell peppers and tomatoes and cilantro do their thing. And we're going to come back and we're going to add the last thing, which is our chili that's going to top it all off. So we're going to let this do its thing and we're going to come back.